If you're ready to organize your outdoor space for the new year, this video is for you. Hi there, I'm Melanie from Simple Made Pretty, where I like to inspire others to create something beautiful every day. I share Cricut crafts, Dollar Tree DIYs, and budget home decor ideas. And in today's video, I have partnered with PATIOWELL. They are a brand that specializes in outdoor organization items, and they sent me this mystery box. Right now, I am sitting in my craft room rather than outside unboxing it because it is 50 degrees outside, and here in Florida, that's really cold for me. So I am going to unbox what they sent me, and I'm going to show you how to set it up, and then I'm going to show you where I place it on my patio and how I organize things inside of this item. So make sure you stick around until the end so you can see my outdoor space. Also in the description, I've included links to PATIOWELL where you can shop their New Year sale. Don't miss it. You will score some great items so you can get ready to organize your outdoor space. Even if it's cold and snowing where you are, this is a great time to get ready for spring cleaning and getting your outdoor space ready for summer. All right, so I'm sure you're ready to see what's in this box, so let's get to it. Okay, so this is the top. Can you figure out what it is yet? So I'm going to unbox the smaller box on the table. Not sure if there's a bunch of moving parts in here or not. All right, let's move over and start building. So on the instructions, it says everything's labeled here with a letter. So the first part is finding C. So we're going to put all my B's together. Here's A, F, and then there's C, and there's two of them. There's another A, another A, A. It says N. Let's see here. B and J. So these are the random ones. And then we have two B's and two A's. So the first step is to put this plug onto the part C on both one. And next you're going to put both C's together. Easy. Next they want you to assemble the A's. You're going to take all four A's and you're going to lay them out like this. And you're going to use two of these iron tubes. The next step says to take F, two iron tubes, and then the G1 and G2, and you're just going to slide them, pops right in. G1, to make sure it's facing the exact same way, so this G1 is upside down, right there, and right there. Next, we're going to take J, and they want us to connect these two. The next step is to attach C to A. You can see where the arrows are pointed here. Make sure your little tubes are right there, and you just snap those pieces in. So I've got the other side for A pointing up So just want to make sure it's completely snapped in on this side. Just press down. That was probably the most awkward part of the building process if you're building it alone. Otherwise, I would recommend 2 people. I realized in my last video you couldn't see me attaching the top, so here we go. There, until it snaps. There's the box using a screw and screwdriver. And then we're going to attach the centerpiece. And then after that, we'll do the hinges. In order to get the top ready for the hinges, we have to attach some pieces to the top. Right, so they show these 2 pieces here. This I have facing this way. Luckily, my husband had just come home, so he could help me attach all of the pieces for the lid. So that is why you see a few hands moving back and forth here. So I just followed the rest of the instructions and attached all the hinges. And here is the completed box set up on our patio right in front of our pool. I'm going to go ahead and take out that centerpiece, and I'll show you how I organized a few things inside. These are all of our outdoor items right now. I just stuck a few towels in here so you could see. You can also roll up some pool towels and stick them in here. I also love these little organizational bags. Are waterproof, and I have some sunglasses and some other pool toys in here, as well as pool noodles, a skimboard, and some snorkeling gear. And as the summer progresses, we will probably add more items in here, such as pool floats and other pool toys like water guns. This is definitely going to come in handy when my kids have their friends over and I need to store a lot of pool towels. I also love that it doubles as a bench, so a couple adults or small kids can easily sit on it. And here it is. It's right around the corner from our kitchen door. That was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video sharing the 150-gallon deck box from PATIOWELL. Whether you need a place to store garden equipment, outdoor toys, or other items, PATIOWELL has you covered. That's it for now. Bye.